Can you keep a secret? You can. Good. Oh, by the way, I'm Mr. Tegmeyer. I teach engineering here at Neuqua Valley, and I have the best kept secret in the whole school, and I'm dying to tell someone. You look trustworthy, so I'm going to tell you. It's called the Principles of Engineering. Are you ready?
Well, what is Principles of Engineering? We call it POE for short. It's one of the introductory courses in PLTW engineering track. In that course, we make practical use of everyday things that you can learn in science and math, and we use that information and knowledge to solve fun problems. For example, we learn about mechanisms and the 6 simple machines to design a combination machine to accomplish a specific task. Fun thing in this class is you get to design your own designs. They're yours. You get to work with your hands, use your imagination, and create a solution to a problem. One of students' favorite topics is energy, and specifically alternative energy. In our energy unit, you'll learn about electricity and simple circuits and how to turn water and sunlight into electricity. You can then create your own powered car, powered with light and water, and you can race your classmates. Win the race, and you get some wonderful prizes. What prizes? Well, you'll just have to take the class and find out for yourself. Have your parents ever gotten angry with you for breaking something? I know when I was your age, my parents did. But in POE, we break things on purpose. We learn about different materials and why you would want to use steel for bridges, for example, and wood for houses. We crush materials and we pull them apart to analyze them and learn about them. Then we learn the math behind how to design a bridge. We build those and break them using computer simulations and scale models. And I won't get mad at you for breaking them. We also learn about robotics. So basically we're taking computer science, programming, and building on what we learned with simple machines and materials. Can you design and build a robot to traverse a maze? Well, you will in this class. I'll teach you how. Our culminating project is one that you get to choose, and it combines all the skill sets we learn in class throughout the year. And you get to do it while creating your own engineering consulting business and competing against other classmates to win prizes again.
The great thing about engineering is the skills you learn here are timeless. Your parents didn't grow up with cell phones or the internet, and those jobs didn't exist. You will have a job in the future that hasn't even been thought of yet or invented. You could go into another career if you have an engineering degree without getting a new degree, but you can't do the other way around. So I hope to see you next year and learn and have fun with you. By the way, it's okay if you share my secret.